What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Up early this morning, man. Can't really sleep. Had a lot on my mind. So I came up here to get me some coffee real quick and grab me a cigar. And I was just thinking about life, man. And there are so many different things that people are dying from. We are losing loved ones in many different fields other than this coronavirus. And I just believe, that there's something else that's going on in the background that we're not seeing because the media is blinding us with this virus situation. And people are still making money. Actually, the rich are getting richer right now. And the middle class or the poor, they feel they have to spend money on things that necessarily is not good to spend money on, but we tend to panic and we do kind of like overbuying or overspending or whatever they call it. Panic buying, panic spending. They getting rich. And a person would say, oh, they're not taking advantage of a person. I don't see how they're not, you know. Now you got some businesses that's out here actually helping the epidemic as far as helping people get their things, helping people keep their jobs, keep work on, you know. And I'm not saying that is not a bad thing. I mean, it's a bad thing as far as the epidemic, because I believe that it's real. I just don't think that it requires the attention that is being given to it. That's what I'm gonna say it like that. With all the stuff that's going on, man, it just make you think. Like we just gotta count our blessings, man. In this life, the people that really controls the pawns, the chess moves, we don't see. You never see them. And those that you do see, they tend to think that we are the animal. We're not, if we greeting one another, seeing one another at work, rubbing against one another's shoulders at stores and things of that nature, we're on the same page. Because those who are actually controlling things, they don't mingle with us. You won't find them mingling. They got their own group that they mingle with. So I would just say this, man. Pay attention to what's going on. Just don't take everything in as face value and think, oh, this is truth. This is what they saying. This got to be the truth. Do your research, man. Do your research. And just be safe out here. Hold on.